Good day, parents and students. My name is Mrs. Decunya, and I will be taking you through the subject Business Studies. I teach Business Studies in grade 11 and 12. The grade 10s are taught by Mr. Witboy, who you should all know if you've been with us since grade 8. He is the LO teacher and also specializes in business. So firstly, I will begin by defining what is Business Studies. Business studies may be a hard question to define. It is so much a part of our everyday lives that it is essential to many of the things we do in our daily lives, and so we don't often take the time to stop and think, what is business? Business studies is a broad subject in the social sciences which allows an in-depth study of a range of specialties such as accountancy, finance, organization, human resource management, and marketing. You learn all this when doing business studies. It deals with knowledge, skills, attitudes, values that are needed to make informed decisions in the formal and informal sectors. From grade 7, you learn that there are two types of businesses, namely a formal business and an informal business. I won't go into detail about this because you should already know about them. But in business studies, we will look at the common characteristics of these businesses that we focus on to help us deepen our understanding of what is a business. You will also get to learn about the two business environments, which is your internal environment and your external environment. And we will go into detail about how these two environments impact on businesses. So your internal environment. This is the business environment which is composed of all the outside factors that may influence or impact on the operations of businesses. External environment includes your social factors, political factors, economic forces, environmental forces that influence a business. You also have your internal environment, which looks at the organization inside of the business. It looks at the culture, the members, the events, and factors within an organization that has the ability to influence the decisions of the organization, especially the behavior of the human resource, which is the people who are working in the business. We will also look at how a business is run. You will learn that there are a series of functions within a business that allow businesses to really work. We will look at these functions individually. You have 8 functions in business. We call them the 8 business functions. These functions are the general management function, the purchasing function, the production function, the marketing function, financial function, administration function, human capital function, and the public relations. You will learn more about these in grade 10. When thinking about whether or not to do business studies, please look at the different skills that can be developed by doing the subject. You get to learn or gain an understanding of how an organization operates. You learn about communication skills, both oral and written. We do a lot of orals and some written pieces of work. You learn problem-solving skills, decision-making skills, logical thinking skills, presentation and report writing skills. In business, when you are asked to write an essay on something, it is usually called a business report. So instead of a normal essay that you would write in English, in business studies, we call it a business report. So you learn the business report format and how to actually write a business report. So basically, business studies is a good option because it deals with a wide range of topics that are current and of interest to almost everyone. It gives a clear understanding of the real world, and you are able to gain insight into political, economical, technological, and social workings of the world at large. If you choose to do business studies, once you have completed your matric, the career opportunities at university level or at cons or colleges, you can do a BCom in business, you can study business science, you can study marketing, you can study human resource management. Okay, so those are the different subjects that you can do at varsity level. Thank you for your time. I hope you join us next year.